Good morning, my dear children. In today's class, we are going to do addition. But मेरे जो बेबीज़ हैं वो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बिग हो रहे हैं, इसलिए उनके लिए एडिशन भी थोड़ा सा बिग हो रहा है. कैसे? आज जो हम एडिशन करेंगे उसे हम कहते हैं वर्टिकल एडिशन. What do we say that? Vertical addition. Now what is vertical addition? हम लोग अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे? We were doing 1 plus 1 equal to 2. ऐसे कर रहे थे ना? आज क्या करेंगे हम? ये अभी तक जो हम कर रहे थे that was horizontal addition. आज से हम करेंगे vertical addition, where the numbers will be placed 1 plus 1 and then we have two sleeping lines as you can see on my screen, and we will write the answer, that is 2 between the two sleeping lines. This is called as vertical addition. Now, we will do some of the examples of vertical addition which will help you to understand this topic better. Now, please have a look here. This is page number 19 of your Protein D. We are doing the first question. In the first row, we have to count the balls, and we are going to write the answer here in this block. Next, we are going to count the number of balls in the second row, and we are going to write the number here. Now let's do it. How many balls are there in the first row? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So, we are going to write 3 here. Now let's count how many balls are there in the second row. 1, 2. So, we are going to write 2 here in this block. Now, what is the total number of balls that I have? Total means you're going to add all the balls. See, you have a plus sign, and I told you that the plus sign stands for addition. So, add all the balls. How many balls do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, where am I going to write the answer? Here. I'm going to write 5. Now, this is vertical addition. What is this? This is vertical addition. यहाँ पे हम numbers जो हैं, जो add कर रहे हैं, दोनों numbers को एक के नीचे एक लिखते हैं, और जो total है, जो हम equal to के बाद लिखते थे, वो उसके नीचे लिखेंगे. ऐसे दो sleeping lines के बीच में. Correct? Now let's do one more question. Can you see there are some caps? Now, what is the rule? The rule says we are going to add all the caps and we need to find the answer. What is the rule? In the first row, we have to find how many caps are there and then write the number of caps in the space provided. हम यहाँ पे caps गिनेंगे कितने caps हैं, और जो उसके सामने जो स्पेस दिया हुआ है उसके अंदर हम उसका आंसर लिखेंगे. सो लेट्स काउंट. फर्स्ट रो में कितने कैप्स हैं? 1, 2, 3. सो इस स्पेस पे मैं क्या लिखूंगी? 3. Now, in the second row, let's count how many caps are there. 1, 2, 3. So, what do I write here? I will write 3. Now, 3 plus 3. आंसर कहाँ लिखेंगे? ये जो दो स्लीपिंग लाइन्स है, इसके बीच में जो स्पेस है, वहाँ पे हम इसका आंसर लिखेंगे. लेट्स काउंट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the total number of caps? टोटल मतलब सारे कैप्स को जोड़ के कितने कैप्स बने हमारे? 6. So 3 plus 3 का आंसर क्या है? 6. और मैं वो वर्टिकल एडिशन में कहाँ लिखती हूँ? ये जो दो स्लीपिंग लाइन्स हैं, इन दो स्लीपिंग लाइन्स के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है वहाँ लिखती हूँ. We will do one more example. See this? I have got some mugs. There are some mugs in the first row. There are some mugs in the second row. Now, we will count the number of mugs in the first row and we are going to write here in the space provided. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we are going to write 4 in the space provided here. Now, in the second row, let's count the mugs. 1, 2. So, in the second row, here in the space provided, I am going to write 2. So, 4 plus 2. We need to find the total. For finding the total, हम क्या करते हैं? सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को एक साथ काउंट करते हैं. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. और मैं 6 कहाँ लिखूंगी? वेरी गुड. ये जो दो स्लीपिंग लाइन्स हैं, उसके बीच में जो स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड है, वहां पर लिखूंगी. राइट? नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन to the apples. Let's count. How many apples are there in the first row? 1, 2, 3. So, where do I write 3? Here in the first row where the space is provided. Now, in the second row, how many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So, where do I write 3? Here in the space provided, in the second row. Now, what is the total number of apples? कितने apples हैं in total? Count करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 plus 3, the answer is 6. And I write the answer between the two sleeping lines. Okay, I hope you have understood the vertical addition. It is almost the same as what we were doing earlier. सिर्फ पैटर्न थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है. पहले हम 3 plus 3 equal to करते थे. अब हम थोड़े से बिग हो गए हैं, इसलिए हम 3 plus 3 का आंसर कहाँ लिखेंगे? 2 sleeping lines के बीच में. Okay, I hope children you have understood this topic. The rest of the questions you will do on your own. Thank you children. Bye for now.